How do successful OEM suppliers enhance quality to keep the customers happy? In an OEM environment, your components can make or break the end product's reputation. A single defect, a misaligned gear, a poorly molded plastic casing can stall production lines and erode your client's trust. Often, these quality hiccups arise from ineffective quality management systems, untrained staff, or inconsistent processes. Fortunately, you can systematically boost quality by following a clear roadmap. The E.N.H.A.N.C.E framework: evaluate, nurture, harmonize, audit, nullify, confirm, and evolve, guides OEM suppliers in refining their quality management approach. Let's dive into each step, touching on proven methods, new ideas, and short examples. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at how frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.